This is a Goodman 13 seer 4-ton heat pump running in the heating mode. It's blowing cold air. Now here's the coil. Look at that. A coil. This unit is 10 years old. You see the ice? This unit is probably due for a change out. Look at all that pine straw and stuff in there. That sure doesn't help it. Pine straw and grass clippings in the coil does not help. I don't know if this unit is even defrosted. I don't know, but it's in. The compressor sounds good, but you could see it. The whole thing is shaking. So that tells me that there's something going on. Something's not balanced right. I mean, this thing's just in rough shape, as you can see.